Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV. I'm here at Brownells for GunCon 2023. I've got Kristen with Stern Defense with me. Kristen has this really freaky, really weird, super quick detach stock adapter for an AR, right?
Right, it's called a RAB-AD, which is a Rapid Attach Buttstock Adapter. So it's really easy, just press of a button and twist at a 30-degree angle, and then it comes off. So it just connects to your receiver with a flange connector and a 3/8 ratchet wrench and some tools that we provide. And then it connects to your standard buffer tube with a castle nut. It's very easy install. And then it just puzzle pieces together like this and clicks into place.
Do I need any special hardware, like a different buffer, anything proprietary in the buffer tube?
Nope, nothing proprietary. It's all your buffer spring, your buffer that you use. And then the only thing that we do have is our buffer spacer. It's a Delrin piece that takes up the space between the bolt and your buffer system. So you don't need a special plug for the back of your bolt with like with a lot of other things out there. So it takes up that space and then it just puzzle pieces together.
How long will it take me to install? I'm a complete idiot.
Well, we have lots of pictures to show you.
I need that.
Yes,
yeah.
I needed that too. So my brother-in-law, he's the engineer on this, and he actually made me install it. So I did install it. It probably, it took me, honestly, it took me at least 30 minutes to do it myself, but it's definitely no more difficult than installing some safeties and a lower receiver. So somebody else that is more mechanically inclined could probably install it much quicker.
I read where you're coming from. And this is, the entire process takes once you have it installed, yeah, it's that easy.
Yeah, it's seconds.
Not
very
even.
easy.
1 second,
right,
possibly.
and then it just lays down flat. So for us, going to range days and going to the range, being able to pop off our uppers and to pop off our stocks and to puzzle piece them into our range day bag, I can fit like 7 or 8 guns into one little guitar case. Carrying that through an airport is much easier than taking multiple gun cases.
What happens if I crack a round off in that son of a bitch and I don't have the stock on the back of it?
So it will fire 1 round. We do not recommend that, but it will. The bolt's not going to come flying out past, I'm trying to think if it'll come out it'll come out to the key, and that's it. But yep, that's it. We have tested it.
So it's not going to kill me if I fire?
It's not going to kill you.
Okay.
But we do recommend that you attach before firing, and it says that right there on the flange connector.
Goddamn lawyers.
Firing.
Yeah.
Right.
How much does it cost? When can I get it?
So it is available right now at getstern.com, and it's retails for $139.99. You can find
pretty
it on the
reasonable.
website.
Yeah,
it's very reasonable. It's lightweight. It's made out of 7075 aircraft aluminum. So it does have some steel components in there as well.
Kristen, thank you for being on the program. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more GunCon.
Awesome.